Hey, what's up guys, this is Devaditya here from the Tech Taxi, and today we are gonna be doing a quick tutorial on how to open the outer mesh cover of the JBL Xtreme 2, and moreover we'd be doing a low frequency bass test for the JBL Xtreme 2. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So at first we will speak about the tools required for the opening up process of the outer mesh cover of the JBL Xtreme 2, which are as follows. So at very first we need a Phillips head screwdriver followed by a small knife, then again we need a tweezer or forceps, and last but not least we need a pry tool. So let's begin with the process. In front of us we have the JBL Xtreme 2 and we have flipped it over, and let's just see, here we have the section where the outer mesh cover joins at the very bottom line of the JBL Xtreme 2. So we will use the pry tool to create a small amount of gap, and please guys do follow the process as I am doing. So after we have created a small amount of gap with the pry tool, we will use the knife, or you can use any card or any flat style thing which you can use to pry the thing up. So now we have clips in the middle section also, which we didn't have earlier in the JBL Xtreme. So we will use both the knife and the pry tool in order to get it unclipped from the frame of the JBL Xtreme 2. So let me just unclip it. So yeah, I have finished unclipping the back part of the JBL Xtreme 2, and for the front part we will use the Phillips head screwdriver, as two screws are attached to the front part which keep it tacked up to the body of the JBL Xtreme 2. So I will use the forceps for picking up the screws now. So let me pick up the screws. So yeah, I'm done with picking up the screws, and it was this simple. We are now completely gone through, and we can now open up the outer mesh cover of the JBL Xtreme 2. So yes guys, it is this simple and not a hell lot of hectic process. You can do it on your own, but yeah, risk is on your side whether you break up or keep your JBL Xtreme 2 cover intact. So we will now move on to the low frequency bass test. So put on your earphones, as I'd be using binaural microphones for recording the bass test. So yeah, put on your headphones for the best experience.
Well, naturally, all test data will be in cycles, starting from 360 cycles down to 10 cycles. Test will begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 360, 350, 340, 330, 320, 310, 300 cycles, 290, 280, 270, 260, 250, 240, 230, 220, 210, 200 cycles, 190, 180, 170, 160, 150, 140, 130, 120, 110, 100 cycles, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 cycles. This has been a test of the Silicon sound system. You may now re-engage all of your bass enhancement devices.
So yeah, the JBL Xtreme 2 performed really well in the low frequency bass test, and moreover I forgot to say one thing in my review video, that is, I get around 10 hours of playback time with the volume set to 100%, whereas JBL promises 15 hours of playback time with the speaker set to 50% volume, which is really great on the part of JBL. So if you are really concerned with the battery life, then don't be. This is a great speaker on an overall basis. Moreover, do hit the like button if you like the video, share the video, comment down your feedback, subscribe to the channel, wait for my next video. Till then, Bye bye guys.